As we grow older, making friends can feel more challenging than it did in our younger years. Yet, friendships remain just as important, if not more so, for our mental health, happiness, and sense of belonging. Adult friendships provide support, laughter, and a sense of community, helping us navigate life's ups and downs. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to build meaningful connections as an adult, starting with understanding why these relationships matter. Let's dive in and discover how you can enrich your life by making new friends, no matter your age or circumstances. Many adults find it difficult to make new friends due to busy schedules, family responsibilities, or simply not knowing where to start. It's common to feel awkward or hesitant, especially if you've moved to a new city or changed jobs. Recognizing these challenges is the first step toward overcoming them. Remember, you're not alone. Many people share the same concerns. By understanding the obstacles, you can start to develop strategies to break through and open yourself up to new social opportunities. Making friends as an adult often starts with a mindset shift. Instead of seeing friendship as something that just happens, view it as an active process. Be open to new experiences and willing to step outside your comfort zone. Remember, it's normal to feel nervous, but approaching social situations with curiosity rather than fear can make a big difference. By adopting a positive and proactive attitude, you'll be more likely to notice opportunities for connection all around you. One of the easiest ways to meet new people is by engaging in activities you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's joining a book club, taking a cooking class, or participating in a local sports league, shared interests provide a natural foundation for conversation and connection. When you're doing something you love, you're more likely to meet like-minded individuals, making it easier to form authentic friendships. Sometimes, new friendships can grow from your existing connections. Reach out to acquaintances, colleagues, or neighbors you already know. Attend gatherings or events where you might meet friends of friends. Expanding your social circle through people you're already comfortable with can make the process feel less intimidating and more organic. Your body language and attitude can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Smile, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in those around you. Being approachable encourages others to start conversations and helps you appear open to new connections. Even small gestures, like greeting someone warmly or offering a compliment, can break the ice and set the stage for friendship. Small talk might seem trivial, but it's often the first step toward deeper conversations. Practice asking open-ended questions and actively listening to others. Simple topics like the weather, recent events, or shared experiences can help you find common ground. Over time, these casual chats can lead to more meaningful discussions and lasting friendships. After meeting someone new, don't be afraid to follow up. Send a message, invite them for coffee, or suggest another activity. Taking the initiative shows that you value the connection and are interested in building a friendship. Remember, most people appreciate when someone else makes the first move, so don't hesitate to reach out. Building friendships takes time and consistency. Make an effort to stay in touch, attend regular gatherings, or check in with new acquaintances. Consistency helps build trust and shows that you're committed to developing the relationship. Even small gestures, like sending a quick text or remembering important dates, can go a long way. True friendships are built on trust and authenticity. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with others. Being vulnerable allows others to see the real you and encourages them to open up as well. While it can feel risky, vulnerability is often the key to forming deep and lasting connections. Not every attempt at friendship will work out, and that's okay. Rejection is a natural part of the process. Instead of taking it personally, view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, everyone has different needs and circumstances. Keep trying, and don't let setbacks discourage you from reaching out to others. In today's digital age, technology can be a powerful tool for making friends. Social media platforms, apps, and online communities connect people with similar interests from all over the world. Don't hesitate to join online groups, attend virtual events, or reach out to people you meet online. These connections can often translate into real-life friendships. Local events, workshops, and gatherings are great places to meet new people. Check out community centers, libraries, or local event listings for opportunities to get involved. Attending these events not only helps you connect with others, but also allows you to contribute to your community and discover new interests. Volunteering is a meaningful way to meet people while making a positive impact. Whether you're helping at a food bank, animal shelter, or community garden, volunteering brings together individuals who care about similar causes. These shared experiences can lay the groundwork for strong, lasting friendships. Engaging in hobbies is not only fun, but also a great way to meet people with similar passions. Whether it's painting, hiking, or playing music, hobbies provide a natural setting for conversation and connection. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might discover both a new interest and a new friend. Learning something new is a fantastic way to meet people. Sign up for a class, whether it's cooking, dancing, or a language course. Classes provide a structured environment where you can interact with others, work together, and build friendships over time. Participating in sports is a fun and active way to meet new people. Whether you're joining a local soccer league or a casual running group, sports teams foster teamwork and camaraderie. The shared goals and regular meetups make it easier to build connections and friendships. Professional networking events aren't just for career advancement, they're also opportunities to make friends. Attend industry meetups, conferences, or workshops to connect with people who share your professional interests. These events often include social activities that make it easier to start conversations and build relationships. Sometimes, the best new friendships are rekindled old ones. Reach out to former classmates, colleagues, or neighbors. A simple message or invitation can revive a connection and lead to renewed friendships. Don't underestimate the value of shared history and experiences. Listening is a key skill in building friendships. Show genuine interest in what others have to say, ask thoughtful questions, and avoid interrupting. Being a good listener helps others feel valued and understood, laying the foundation for trust and deeper connections. Helping others is a great way to build rapport and show that you care. Offer assistance when you can, whether it's helping a colleague with a project or supporting a neighbor. Acts of kindness create positive feelings and can be the start of a strong friendship. Take time to celebrate the achievements and milestones of those around you, whether it's a birthday, promotion, or personal success. Acknowledging others' accomplishments strengthens your bond and shows that you care about their happiness. Reliability is crucial in any friendship. Keep your promises, show up on time, and be there when you say you will. Being dependable builds trust and reassures others that they can count on you, which is essential for lasting relationships. Expressing gratitude strengthens friendships. Thank your friends for their support, kindness, or simply for spending time with you. Small gestures of appreciation can make a big difference and encourage deeper connections. Every friendship is unique, and it's important to respect each other's boundaries. Be mindful of personal space, time commitments, and individual preferences. Respecting boundaries shows that you value the other person's comfort and autonomy. Building meaningful friendships doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and others as you navigate new relationships. Allow time for trust and connection to develop naturally, and don't rush the process. Authenticity is the foundation of any strong friendship. Be true to yourself and let your personality shine. When you're genuine, you attract people who appreciate you for who you are, leading to more fulfilling and lasting relationships. Healthy friendships involve a balance of giving and receiving. Be supportive, but also allow yourself to accept help and kindness from others. This mutual exchange strengthens the relationship and ensures that both parties feel valued. Open and honest communication is key to any successful friendship. Share your thoughts and feelings and encourage your friends to do the same. Clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings and builds a stronger, more trusting bond. Disagreements are a natural part of any relationship. When conflicts arise, address them calmly and respectfully. Listen to the other person's perspective, express your own feelings, and work together to find a solution. Handling conflict gracefully can actually strengthen your friendship. True friends are there for each other during difficult moments. Offer support, lend a listening ear, or simply be present when someone is going through a tough time. Your empathy and understanding can make a world of difference. Friendships can be enriched by connecting with people from different backgrounds and cultures. Embrace diversity and be open to learning from others' experiences. These relationships broaden your perspective and add depth to your social life. Busy schedules can make it hard to prioritize friendships, but making time for friends is essential. Schedule regular meetups, phone calls, or video chats. Even brief interactions can help maintain and strengthen your relationships. Traveling with friends can create unforgettable memories and deepen your bond. Whether it's a weekend road trip or an international adventure, shared experiences on the road often lead to stronger, more meaningful friendships. Hosting gatherings, whether big or small, is a great way to bring people together. Invite friends over for dinner, organize a game night, or plan a group outing. Creating opportunities for socializing helps strengthen existing friendships and introduces you to new people. A positive attitude is contagious and attracts others. Focus on the good in people and situations, and try to bring optimism into your interactions. Positivity helps create a welcoming environment where friendships can flourish. Mistakes happen in every relationship. If you've hurt someone or made an error, don't hesitate to apologize sincerely. Owning up to your mistakes and making amends shows maturity and helps repair and strengthen your friendship. Support your friends' personal and professional growth, celebrate their achievements, and encourage them to pursue their goals. Being a source of motivation and encouragement can deepen your bond and inspire both of you to grow together. Shared experiences, whether big or small, help build lasting memories and deepen friendships. Try new activities together, explore new places, or simply spend time enjoying each other's company. These moments create a strong foundation for your relationship. Friendship opportunities can arise in unexpected places. Stay open to meeting new people, whether it's at work, in your neighborhood, or while traveling. Being receptive to new connections increases your chances of finding meaningful friendships. Take time to reflect on what you're looking for in a friendship. Consider your values, interests, and the qualities you appreciate in others. Understanding your own needs helps you seek out relationships that are truly fulfilling. Not all relationships are healthy. If a friendship consistently brings negativity or stress, it may be time to let go. Prioritize relationships that uplift and support you, and don't be afraid to set boundaries with those who don't. Remember, building friendships is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but each experience helps you grow and learn. Stay open, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the process of connecting with others. Strong friendships contribute to overall well-being. They provide emotional support, reduce stress, and even improve physical health. Investing in your social life is an investment in your happiness and longevity. Making friends as an adult may seem daunting, but it's entirely possible. Start small, be proactive, and remember that every connection begins with a single step. By applying these strategies, you'll be well on your way to building meaningful, lasting friendships that enrich your life.